One day, one new Asian startup. Today, we're going to talk about Angbot. Most robot dogs are built for factories, for military, or for research labs, but this Chinese startup built one for your living room. It weighs less than 1 kilogram, understand natural language, perform 1,000 movements, and can learn new trick. This is Sirius. And you see, you just look at how cool it looks. Looks so fun. To be fair, looks so great. So let's go into the presentation first. So what if we could program your pet? So that means that we are not into military pets. We are into robotic pets, robot pets. Instead of having a dog, you have this cute little robot. I think it's beautiful. Um, what they mean, what they want to do, they want to change the robot industry and they want to change robot dogs. They want to feel it alive. You should never feel that it's a robot. You should feel that it's a real dog. It's not a toy. It's not something that you program. It's a real animal inside. So as you can see, this is the bot, Hangbot, Sirius. A robot dog built to feel alive, so it's under 1 kilogram. It's AI powered, for sure it's AI powered because you need a lot of things inside to understand, to see, to show. And this is it. What they do actually inside, they did bionic design with more than 1,000 motion because if you want to have something that looks like a dog but moves like a dog, well, you need to have a lot of parts inside your animal, and here you have 1,000 motions inside to have something that moves, that is cool, that looks great. So it doesn't just follow commands, it learns new trick because you can because it's always the same because it's AI, you can show how to do, they can learn and they can do more and more things. So it's like funny, it's like your dog is evolving over time. You can do it with your real dog, but you are still quite limited. Quick here is a bit different. They can learn and they can learn a lot of things and quick. What's the market? Well, I don't know. I don't know if I'm sure in Asia, yeah, there is a big market for this. I don't know if it was done in Europe, coming from France. Not sure this is something people want, at least for now. But anyway, it was crowdfunded with more than nearly $1 million crowdfunded, more than 1,000 backers. So there is demand. Not sure where from this demand, but there is demand for something that looks really, really, really cool, actually. So if you want to have a look, you have a website here. Video demo is awesome. Actually, it looks fun. It looks great. It's a bit scary. I don't know. I don't know. For me, I wouldn't buy it, but I understand there is a market about this. So this is it. It's a Chinese startup. You can follow them on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube. You can see videos. You can follow them. Angbot. Uh, you can see they're all in factories. So it looks cool. It looks a bit scary. It looks like the future. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, if you like it, you can just order and you can confirm it. If you like it, yeah, just go for it. But I'm curious. I'm curious actually if you really like these kind of things or feel a bit scared. Personally, I feel a bit scared, but can tell me in the comments. Anyway, see you soon for a new video, a presentation of a new startup Asian company. Until then, have fun, take care, ciao, ciao.